like any accomplished village lawyer, the Maverick is back on the Briana Williams case this evening. With news emerging that young Miss Williams is provisionally named for the Jamaican World Championship team, pending the results of her hearing. And this is where lawyers, especially village lawyers like the Maverick, earn our money. Based on this J3A's decision to name Briana to the team, in addition to the earlier pronouncement by J3A's president, Dr. Warren Blake, saying that Williams has a strong case, that if presented properly, she could be exonerated. Well, some people argue that Dr. Blake and the J3As are prejudicing the case and basically putting the independent anti-doping panel under pressure. Me don't have no problem with that. Me have put them under pressure too. I think even the Prime Minister and the opposition leader, Dr. Peter Wan, and the Minister of Sports, every single Jamaican should come out in support of Briana Williams based on the circumstances of this case. And this is nothing we should feel guilty or be ashamed of. None of the evidence in this case is secret. We all heard what happened. This independent panel don't need to waste nobody's time. They need to just free Briana Williams and free her now. Same like how America free Christian Coleman. We are say free our little champion. Free our champion. Simple.